Hi, this is Alan E. Kay. I'm an immigration lawyer with over 35 years experience. We'd like to welcome you to our program, Immigration and You. Welcome to Immigration and You. My name is Alan Kay, and this program deals with recent developments in the U.S. immigration law, of which there have been a number in the very recent and very recently. On June 15, 2012, Secretary Janet Napolitano of the Department of Homeland Security announced a new program concerning the exercise of prosecutorial discretion for certain removable individuals who entered the United States as a child. Then President Obama went on television to further reinforce that and to announce this new program. Now, this program covers certain individuals. Number one, you had to have come to the United States under the age of 16. Second, you must not be now above the age of 30 at the time you file the application. You had to have continuously resided in the United States for at least 5 years before the date, before June 15, 2012, and you have to be presently in the United States as of June 15, 2012. You have to currently be in school or have graduated from high school or have obtained a General Education Development Certificate, a GED, or be an honorably discharged veteran of the Coast Guard or Armed Forces of the United States. You must not have been convicted of a felony offense or a significant misdemeanor offense or multiple misdemeanor offenses. And you must also not otherwise pose a threat to the national security or public safety. So these are the requirements, and some of them are kind of vague, and we don't have really clarification, and we're waiting for clarification. For example, what is a significant misdemeanor offense? What does a threat to the national security or public safety mean? But this can be a very big thing for certain people, and the application period will probably start August 15th, 60 days from June 15th. People in deportation proceedings could benefit from this policy, and what will happen is that if you come under this criteria, you'll be able to file for a working card, and so you'll get a working card within a short period of time. You might be able to get a travel permit also. The government is still thinking about that. But this is not an amnesty, and what will happen is if you file and if you're granted for 2 years, you will get what's called prosecutorial discretion. You'll be legal for 2 years. You won't be deported. Your case will be frozen, and you'll have a working permit and maybe a travel permit. So there's still a lot of questions about this program. It starts around August 15th. It was announced June 15th. Who meets these criteria? Well, obviously, if you came to the United States under the age of 16, that's an easy one to determine. If you're not above the age of 30, that's easy to determine. Some of the other ones, whether you pose a threat to national security or public safety, we don't know what that means yet. What is a significant misdemeanor offense? We don't know what that means yet. In conclusion, if you'd like additional information about this program, contact me at the information listed at the end of this video. I'll be happy to send you more material, frequently asked questions that I prepared about this program. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll be back soon to give you an update on more recent information as we get it from the Department of Homeland Security.